Yes, now we can discuss about Plantibody. My name is Ganesh. I am discussing about Plantibody. Plantibody. Passive immunization is a medical strategy long employed to provide temporary protection against pathogens. Early implementations involved recovering ostensibly cell-free plasma from the blood of human survivors or from non-human animals deliberately exposed to a specific pathogen or toxin. These approaches resulted in crude purifications of plasma-soluble proteins, including antibodies. Antibodies, also known as an immunoglobulins, are complex proteins produced by vertebrates that recognize antigens or molecular patterns on pathogens and some dangerous compounds in order to alert the adaptive immune system that there are pathogens within the body. A plantibody is an antibody that is produced by plants that have been genetically engineered with animal DNA encoding a specific human antibody known to neutralize a particular pathogen or toxin. The transgenic plants produce antibodies that are similar to their human counterparts, and following purification, plantibodies can be administered therapeutically to accurately to acutely ill patients or prophylactically, prophylactically to at-risk individuals such as healthcare workers. The term plantibody and the concept are trademarked by the company Biolex. Production. So, what is how the plantibody production? A plantibody is produced by insertion of genes encoding antibodies into a transgenic plant. The plantibodies are then modified by intrinsic plant mechanisms, that is Glycosylation. Plantibodies are purified from plant tissues by mechanical disruption and denaturation, removal of intrinsic plant proteins by treatment at high temperature and low pH, as antibodies tend to be stable under these conditions. Antibodies can further be purified away from other acid and temperature stable proteins by capture on commercially produced protein, a resins. Production of antibodies in whole transgenic plants such as species in the genus Nicotiana is cheaper and safer than in cultured animal cells. This is the information regarding plantibody. So, in short, plantibody is an antibody that is produced by plants. So, antibodies will be useful in medication also, in so many ways also. That is the information I share to you. Wishing you all the best.